When you will fry Pabda fish with spice mix only without any flour coating, there may be chances to splatter. Today I will share with you how to prevent this. Rub haldi powder and salt in 2:1 ratio. Rub on Pabda fish properly and set aside for minimum 1 hour. Salt and haldi powder soaks up some of the moisture from fish. For frying fish, heat some oil in a pan until fume come. Sprinkle a pinch of salt into the hot oil. This will help to prevent oil splatter while frying fish. Add 5 to 6 fish at a time and fry until golden brown. Tilt little the pan so that fish will fry evenly. When one side is lightly golden brown, then flip the fish. Salt is a remedy to removing water from food. It's a well-known fact that when water comes into contact with hot oil, it may splash, so by using salt, you can prevent splashing. Fry evenly both sides until lightly golden brown. Now I will share with you a simple Pabda fish curry recipe. For preparing simple Pabda fish curry, we need onion, green chili, ginger, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander leaves, oil. In the remaining fish frying oil, add onion, green chili, turmeric powder, red chili powder and some salt. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes, then add water. Bring it to boil. I put some curry leaves also. You can skip the curry leaves. Now I'll add the fried fish and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame. It's a Bengali traditional simple fish curry recipe served with hot steamed rice. You can prepare this recipe with any types of small fish. At last add some coriander leaves. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe.